Hi, okay, and welcome to UltiM8 Tools. What we're going to do now is talk about the endoscope that we've actually put in the actual Black Scorpion kit. It's this lovely little Wi-Fi endoscope. The actual rating on it says high definition 1200p. Now that's better than most people's house cameras on their home when they're normally 1080p. How do we use this basically? You get it out of the box for the first time, must charge the unit up. This one's in our power pack because we're charging it up as we go. It's just a little accessory that you can buy to make sure that you never run out of power. It comes with the instructions. Open up the instructions. You've got obviously you've got Apple and Android. You've got Google Play and OSO, the actual Apple. Download the app, as you said here, HTC. Once you downloaded it, it will want to open. But once it opens, close the app down. Then go into settings. Now I'll come out of here. Look, we got my app here on the phone. So if you opened and it goes like that and nothing's happening like that, close the app down. Go into settings, into your Wi-Fi. And then because we got it switched on, it will come up with your YPC. Now we've already put the password, the standard password from 1 to 8, but you can change the password on this little device if you wanted. It's now connected, okay, but we haven't plugged it in yet. So what we do is going to plug this little device in the end here, which is a USB. Come out of settings, go back to the app, open up the app, and hopefully it should all come alive, which it has. Now, like I said, when it's steady, the image is fantastic. You see I'm taking a picture of my brother there, recording me. Okay, if you want to adjust the brightness on the LEDs, there's a little here, and you can either turn it up or turn it down. Now in the pitch black, that's all you really need to see. You don't really need much more than that when you're going to your device. Okay, it's got a hell of a long lead on it. It's a fixed rigid lead. Very easy to use. Now, if you're trying to use this and it hasn't got much power in this little unit, you're going to have trouble with it connecting. It needs to be quite fully charged. That's why we suggest you buy the power pack. And these power packs have got an immense amount of time on them. This is obviously only come out of the box a little while ago, and it's been in the box for about 6 months, and it's still like fully half charged. Doesn't really lose its charge, but mine, I leave mine in my van all the time plugged in, so it's fully charged up. Can I plug it up for? You can either charge up from the mains, or you can charge up from the cigarette lighter in your car or your van. Okay, that's no problem at all. And also it's got another slot in it, so you can keep your mobile phone charged. So that's the new version of the endoscope that we're using. A superb little product. The streaming is lovely. There's hardly any delay at all on the streaming. So a lovely little extension on a professional, lovely little gadget for the endoscope. Thank you.